Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to the new webinar of Odoo 18 e-learning module. I Agna, functional consultant from Cybrosys Technology, and I am here for you to deliver this session. On looking to our company, Cybrosys Technology is an ISO certified private limited company dedicated to delivering exceptional software solutions worldwide. We specialized in Odoo ERP customization, implementation, and aligned services. We also offer source code, scale, and custom software development. Our commitment to quality and innovation sets us apart, assuring tailored solutions for global businesses. We have branches in Calicut, Kochi, and Bangalore. Why we always prefer Odoo? Yes, Odoo is an open source ERP software which offer customizable workflow for and user-friendly interface. Odoo is a cost-effective software in which we have free community version and paid enterprise version. It support multiple Odoo support or Odoo 18 support multiple languages and currencies, and Odoo have always frequent updates and improvements. On moving to Odoo 18 e-learning module, this module allows business, educational institutions, organization to create, manage, and deliver online e-learning courses and training programs. This e-learning module is designed to enhance the e-learning experience by offering a comprehensive suite to all tool for all to create and track learning activities. Then the main aim of this webinar is to inform all participants and the end user about the Odoo e-learning module. We will be concentrating on the main features and enhancement in Odoo 18 e-learning module in this session. And the content which I would like to include in this session are how to create e-learning courses, content creation for courses, how to run a course certification, forum for the e-learning courses, then how to add course reviews, and at last we have the e-learning reports. Or moving to the we have different options available in courses, which course structuring, which means how you organize and arrange various elements of your courses to ensure they are logically sequenced and engaging for learners. Structuring your courses effectively, and this is a key to providing an optimal learning experience. This option provide there are different options provide, like while creating course are we can create contents to course, we can add and invite user or attendees for these courses, we can find the review by the attendees, we can add certification to the courses, and also we can publish the courses to the website. Next we have the contents. On moving to contents, we can directly create content and can publish this content to the website. While creating a content, we can add a courses in that content, and then this content will be belong to that course. Next, we have certification. We can create custom certification templates, and it will this certification option will help to organize and validate learners' successful completion of a courses or a specific learning path. This feature can be used to create quizzes to certification, and how to set time limit. Time We can set time limit for the certification, and we can send mails after the certification to the attendees. Like this, we can use certification option in the e-learning module. Next, we have forums. On moving to the forum, we can use to interact. These forums can be used to interact with the users, in which it allows the user to ask questions, share ideas, and discuss course content in a centralized place. So it will be more beneficial to the user or the customer who are using this e-learning module. Then next we have course reviews. We can share course reviews, which this course review option help to gather feedback on courses and improving the overall learning experience. It allows user to provide input on the course content and instructors effectiveness and the overall course structures. Then we can also able to hide these reviews from this from the users from all the public. While this course can be published to the website, then also we can hide the reviews by the users. At last, we have reports, and the e-learning module provide different reports like course report, attendees report, quiz reports, and content reports, etc., which will help to monitor and evaluate the progress of the courses and progress of the courses to the user. This report allow course administrators, instructors, and managers to track the performance and the effectiveness of the course contents. So these all features can be useful for everyone who can use an e-learning module from Odoo 18. So let me wait for some time so that our attendees get joined to the session. So let's wait. So let us move to our session. For dealing with our e-learning module, let's install this all module. This is the default icon or the app e-learning module. On clicking this e-learning module, we will be redirected to the dashboard of this e-learning app. Here we can see all the courses which are already created. On by default, Odoo will provide this course in a Kanban view. We have the option to view these courses in list view. By clicking here, we will get a list view of all the courses. Next, when we move back to the dashboard, here we have different filters provided by Odoo 18, like published, archived, etc., and we have the option to create new filters by clicking add custom filter, and also we can create group filters by add custom group option. And next we have favorite option, that means we can make filters favorite and we use it frequently. So in the dashboard we can see a new button. On clicking this new button, we can create a new course, and there is a view option, or for each boxes we can see these all are the courses. Taking care of tree is one of the course, and the tree, wood, and garden is another course which is already created. This under the name of each course we can see the tags provided for each course. Then we have view course option, and before that there is a published ribbon for each course, which means which show that all the courses shown here are published in the website. Next we have the view course option. To view this course, we can click the view course option. Next, in the dashboard of each course, we can see view contents, duration, and review fields, which means that how many of the users will view this course, and how many are attending this course, or how many contents are published in this course. Means this content means how many contents are published in this course, or how many contents are added under this course. Next is the duration. For each course, there is a duration. This duration will be the sum of the duration of contents. There are different contents. There is 7 content under the first course, and the duration of the course is 8 hour 30 minutes, which means the duration for completing the 7 contents in this course is 8 hour 30 minutes. Then there is a review option, which means how many or how many of the user has reviewed the which for this course. For this first course there is 3 review, and out of 5 the review is shown here. Then we can see invited, ongoing, published, total options, etc. Total options. Invited means how many invited user are in this course, and ongoing means how many ongoing users. That means how many users are ongoing this course, till continuing this course, how many are finished, and how and the total, which total means invited plus sum of invited, ongoing, and finished users will give the total, or some total of this course. Then On clicking the settings button, we can see delete, edit, add attendees, invite attendees, and contact attendees option. When we open a course, we have the option to add attendees, invite attendees, and contact attendees. Here also these options are provided. Next is the delete and edit button. If we want to delete a course from course, we can click the delete button, and if we want to edit it, it will be redirected to the course form view, or from like this we can as clicking the edit view we will get the form view, or if we want to get this same form view, we can click the view course option. Like this we can view the course. Here we can take one of the courses. Odoo 17 functional is one of the course I have created. On clicking this course, we can see there is contact attendees, add attendees, and invite are the three options available at first. And we have visit, published contents, finished, certified attendees, review, and go to website option. Visit means how many of the user, or how many people are viewed or visit our course from anywhere will be mentioned here. Then the published content, the count of the published content will be shown as a smart tab. Then how many attendees were finished this course were also shown from here. Then we have certified option. How many attendees completed their certification of this course can be shown here. Then the attendees, number of attendees were shown, and the review. And on clicking this go to website option, we will be redirected to the website view of this course. Next we have title. Under the title we have under the content we have title, category, certification, duration, total views, preview, and published option, etc. Here this there are three main options: add session, add content, and add certification. On clicking this add session, I have added the functional field here by clicking this add session. If we want to add a new session, we can click the add session option, and here we can add technical as one of the session. Here similar to functional, we have added technical session. In under this functional session, I have added three contents, two contents, and one certification. In which sales and accounting are two contents, and certification is one of the certification I have added to this course. Orders and in functionals. On opening this sales or sales course, we can see the title of this course. We have the option to add tag for this course. Then when when we look into the content type, we can see there are different content types like image, article, document, video, quiz, and certification. Here we can choose any of this content type. Now I am choosing document as the content type, and when we choose document as content type, there will be two more options: upload from device and retrieve from Google Drive. When we choose the upload from device, we will be on clicking this here, we will be redirected to our files or the system files, and we can select the file we need to upload here. And if we are choosing retrieve from Google Drive, we have the option to add a Google Drive link here. Add our Google Drive link here. Then we have the option to add the responsible person. Next is the duration. We can add the duration to complete this course here. And next, if we enable the allow download checkbox, we are allowing our user to download this file which I have uploaded from my device. We are allowing our user to download this file. Then allow preview option. When we enable this allow preview option, we are allowing our user to preview this course from website. Then we can save it. Before that, we can move to the description tab. On the description tab, we can add, if you need to add any description on this course, we can add it here. Then additional resources may be used to add more resources of this course, this kind more resources on this content. Like here we can see resource type, like we can add the resource or which file or link and the name of the resource, and we have the option to upload a file or add a link here. Here we can if we need to provide more resources on this content, we can add it here. Next we have quizzes. If we need to add any quiz for each content, we can add quiz here. For adding quiz, we can click the add a line button. On clicking this add a line button, we can add question and answer, and we can set one of the answer as a correct one. And we can provide points for quiz, that like when the user completed this quiz in first try, we can provide 10 points. Then if the user is completing this quiz in his second try, we can provide points, like I am providing 8 points for the user. Like this we can set points for third try and fourth try and more. Just we can save it. Now we can move to the second content, accounting. Under the content accounting, we can see I have choose the content type as document, and I have set the content type as document and retrieve this document from Google Drive. So I have added the Google link or Drive link of this document. Then I have set the responsible person and duration of this course, and just similar to the sales course, we have the description tab, additional resource tab, and quiz tab for each content. These content too. Then we have functional certification. Either we can create a certification from here, or also when we just save it, when we move under the course menu, we have the option to create certification. Likewise, we can create content also from these all are the content which are already created. Here we can see accounting, then we can see our sales. These all are the already created content. If we need to create a new content, and we can add this content and the content which are visible here in our course. Here we can see a new is one of the content here. When we move to our course, and we have the option to add new content. Here we can add the new content also. Then here we can see certification menu. Under the when we open this certification menu, we can see all the certification which are already created. This furniture creation certification is used for 2 course. This functional certification is used for 1 course, which we are using it now. Then my company vendor certification is doesn't used for any of the course, used under any course, but it have been, maybe it's used for another purpose. Then the questions included in the courses will be in this certification will be shown here. The average duration of the certification that will be obtained when any of the user have completed, when two or more user have completed this certification, we will get the average duration, or Odoo automatically calculate the average duration. Then the registered, how many of the user are registered for each course, and how many of the user have completed each course. Next is the certified option. In this certified option, we can see how much percentage have been certified the course, like this. Then we have share test and see result option. We can move to the course, and we can open our Odoo 17 functional course. Here, when we open this functional certification course, we can see the content type is certification, and the certification is already selected as functional certification. And the responsible person, duration of the certification, all are added here. When we move to the quiz tab, we can see, sorry, when we move to the description tab and additional resources tab, we will be getting we have the option to add the details of this certification. When we move to the certification here, When we open it, we can see the questions under this certification. Here we can see there are three questions added in this certification, or user type in Odoo, which is the free version of Odoo, and like this we can add quizzes. And when we open one quiz, we can see there are different option or different question type for each quiz, like multiple choice, only one answer, multiple choice, multiple answer allowed. Here for this user type in Odoo question, I have choose multiple choice, multiple answer allowed, so that the user can able to add multiple answer for a single question, and the score for each answer are also provided in this certification page itself. And when we move to this second question, it's a multiple choice, only one answer question. Uh, Here we can community or enterprise, which is the free version of Odoo. The two options are community and enterprise are the two versions, and in which the community is the free version. It's a question, and the score of this question is also added. Then we can save it. Next, there is one more question. It's also a multiple choice single answer question. Which module in Odoo is used for managing sales and customer interaction? In which there are three options: recruitment module, payroll module, and sales module. In which sales module is the correct answer, and a correct answer score is also added. Then we can share test this. When we click this test option, we will be moved to a survey form, and we can make a survey like test for this certification. And when we click this share option, we will get a link to share to our customer. Then we can move to the course, and in this course we can move to course. Here we can see when we open this course, we can see go to website option. When we click this go to website option, we'll be redirected to the course. Before that, we can discuss this description option and karma tabs of a course. Then we move to the description. We can see, we already see that there is description option for each contents. Like when we open a sales, we can see the description option. Like this, we can see a description or option for the entire course. When we click this description, we can add a description. Here I have added one of the description for this course. Like this, I have added the description. Then we have, when we move to the options tab, we can see different option for this course, like the courses section, as access rights section, communication section, display section, etc. Here the this course is it displayed as a training program. If we want to display it as a documentation, we can choose this. First of all, we can set it as training, and when we move to website, it's the default view of this course. We can move back to course and set it as we can open our course, and we can set this course as a documentation, and we can save it. Then when we move to the websites, it's the view of this course, in which we can see the three contents under the course, and all the details of the course can be viewed as the view is like this when we set it as documentation. We can move back to the course. Then under the option section, we have uh, when we set it as documentation, we have the option to content featured content. That means more, if we want to feature the content in the website as most viewed one, we can choose the most viewed. If we want to set it as last created, we can set it like this. And if we want to set it as most voted or select manually, when we choose the select manually option, we can, when we before that, when we move to the website, we can see that the accounting is the first content or featured content. And if we set it as functional certification as the featured content and saving it, Then when we move to the website, we can see the functional certification here. Can move back to course. Then we can open our course. Then here we have choose set the display option. Then we have courses option. The responsible person of the course can be set here, and if we want to uh, restrict this course from any of the website, we can add the website which we want to publish this course. If we add a website here, only in this website this course will be published. If we don't add any of the website, this course will be published to all website in this order. Then we have show course to option. If we want to show course to everyone, we can add the show course to everyone option. Then if you want to show course to only to the signed in user, we can set the signed in option. And for course attendees, only for course attendees, we can set enable this course attendees option. Then we have enroll policy. When we choose the enroll policy as open, everyone can enroll to this course. And if we want to set the enroll policy on enroll policy as on invitation, only the invited user can enroll to this course. Then next is the review communication option. On this communication option, we have the option to allow reviews. In Odoo 18 e-learning module, we are allowing our user to add their review about the courses. Then if we enable this checkbox, we are allowing our user to add their review on this course. Next is the forum option. On clicking this forum option, we can add a forum here. I have already created a forum Odoo functionals. We have the option to create a forum from this forum menu. When we click this forum menu, I can show you that the already created forum. It's the already created forum. Then for the forum, we have provided different options like questions or discussion mode. When we add it as question, the user can add different question on on this course. And if we set it as discussion, we are allowing both communication. We are allowing our user and also our administrator or the or the tutors to add their comments on this course in this forum. Then if we want to publish our forum in a website, we can choose it here. We can choose the website here, or either if we want to publish this forum in every website, we can put it as blank. Then next is the default sort option. When we choose the default sort option, we can see set it as newest, that only the newest post will be shown first. Then the last updated post, if you want to show the last updated post first, we can choose the last update or most viewed, relevance and answered. These all options are available under default sort field. Then we can set the show course to everyone and the course name, e-learning course Odoo 17 functional. Under this course, we have choose this forum. Then if any of the user add a post under this forum, this can be viewed here. When we go to website, click the go to website option, we can option to start by creating a post. Here we can choose the title as Odoo 17 functionals. Then we can when one user can a user can add the questions or their suggestion like is this like this. We can add the question, is this course provide complete functional knowledge on Odoo functionals? Like this, we can add the question and post your question here. Like this, a user can add question and post their question. Then we can move to the courses, and in this we can open the forum. Here when we open this forum, we can see one post is added here. as I have added one post from the website. Next is the karma gains. All here we can see by asking question, two gains are provided, and like this question about upvoted, question devoted, downvoted, and answer upvoted, answer downvoted. And for accepting an answer, we can provide 2 points. And for answer accepted, for if the answer is accepted, 15 points are provided. Like this, we have the karma related rights also. Ask question right and ask answer, upward, downward. These are the karma related rights provided in Odoo. So we can move to the for course. And when we open our course, we can see next option. For sorry, we can go to the option menu. We have discussed this display, access right, and reviews. In this communication option, we have new content notification. If we are adding a new content to this course, we are allowing a notification with this template. E-learning new course content notification is the template. And completion notification, if any of the user have completed a course, we can provide a completion notification, and the template used for completion notification is shown here. Complete course, then new course notification. When we go to the internal link, we can see the templates. It's the new course template, and it's the completion course completion template. Then we can move back. Here we have discussed the course creation through website. Here we can see the post. I have already added one of the posts for auto functional to this or Odoo 17 functional course, and I have added one of the added a post from the website to this content. So this post is shown in the these post details will be shown in the shown as a smart tab for this course. So we have now discussed the creation of a course through website. So when we move to the website, we can see uh, different options like start this course, responsible person, last updated 1 hour 40-minute completion time of this course, and member of this course. Here in this course, we can see there are 2 documents and 1 certification. Then we have the option to view the course, view the reviews, and we can view the forum of this course. We can move to this course, and we have the option to add review by clicking these star options here. When if we want to start this course, we can click this start this course button. Now the course is being started, and we can choose the content. First we can choose the sales. Once we open this sales content, we can complete the sales content. Now we have done it and mark as done. Now this sales content is completed. Then next is the accounting content. When a user completely read this content, then he can set it as mark as done. Then next is the account functional certification. Once we click this, we have the option to take quiz option. On clicking this take quiz, we can see we have the option to take the quiz. Move to the full screen, and we can start our certification by clicking begin certification option. Here we can see what we user types in Odoo is the first question we have added as the certification. Then we can select the correct answers for this question. Then we can click the continue button. Then which is the free version of Odoo, we can choose the correct answer. The next question will be displayed. Which module in Odoo is used for managing sales and customer interaction? We can choose the correct answer. Then we can click the submit button. Then you have scored 100%. Congratulations, you have passed the test, and we have the option to download the certification. On clicking this download certification, we can download our certificate by here. We have downloaded our certificate, and we have the option to share our certification to any of the, if we want to share our certification to any of the mail, we can share by adding the mail here. Then we can move back to course. Then here we can see completed status of this course, status of the user. Once the user have completed, the completed status will be updated in this course. So when we move to course, we can see one of the user has completed this course. We have already one user have already completed this course. Now the finished will be changed to 2. That means 2 user has completed this course. When we open this, you can see one is certified, means one of the user completed the certification. As if here we have login as Michelle admin, so the course name, partner mail, and the date, all the details of this course completion will be shown here. The next option is the creation of, we can create a course through website. So we can move to website and see how to create a course. Here it's the website module. We can create a course from website. Before moving to the creation of the course through website, we can check the downloaded certificate for the customer or for the user which who is already completed his course and certification from the website. So it's the certificate provided by Odoo when the user completed his course and certification. This is the layout provided by Odoo. Like this, different layouts are provided by Odoo, and we can customize it. Then we can move to the website module and we can create a new course here. Here when we move to the website, we can see homes, shop, forum, courses here. On clicking these courses, we can see already created courses and already created and published courses. By clicking this new button, we can see there are different options like page creation, forum creation, product, course, appointment form, blog post, events, job position, live chat widgets, etc. Here we want to create a course, so we can click the course button. Once we click the course button, we can add the content or the title of the course. Like we can set it as Odoo 18 Basics. Here I am creating the course Odoo 18 Basics. We can choose the tag from here, or either we can create a new tag for this course. Then Odoo provides mainly two type of layout for course, like documentation and training. Here we can choose any one of this layout. Like when we choose this documentation layout, it will be look like this, and when we choose training layout, it will look like this. We can choose the training layout. Then we have the option to add the description for the course. Like we can add this Odoo 18 Basics course will be a complete guide for all the beginners, or all the like all the users. We can set it as all the users. Then if we are allowing our customer to rate the course, we can enable this checkbox, and now we can save it. Once we save it, the course will be created at the moment when we click the save button. So now the course has been created here. By default, Odoo provide different, or using the edit mode in the website, we can design the look and layout of our website, and using the building blocks and features present in the website. So when we click the edit mode, we can add more blocks and features to our course page. So now we can discard it and we can choose we can use the default features in here. Then to add a section, we can now it's the now the user has been enrolled. We can leave this course now. Once we click the add section option, we have the option to add section. We can name the name of the section here, like Odoo 18 intro. Then we can save it now. Then we have the option to add more contents to this section. Now the session is empty because there is no content in the session, so the zero lesson here. By clicking the add content option, we can add content. Now first we can add a video here. Before that we can add the link of the video. Now whenever we added a link, we have the option or Odoo automatically add the title and the section under which section the section we have already added, or Auto automatically map the section. Then the tag, we can select the tag and Auto automatically add the estimate time from the video by checking the content of the video. Then by clicking the save and publish option, this video will get published to this website. Now we can click the save and publish option. Now this video has been published to the website. Next option is the next when we click this content, we already provide different content options like documentation, images, article, video, quiz, certification, etc. Now we have added a video. Then we can choose a article option. Once we click the article, we can provide the article name here, like introduction. And then the estimate time for completing this article can be added here, like 5 minutes. And then we can click the save and publish option. Now Odoo will redirect us to a new page. Here we can design the article using different options, like we can add images to this article. Then we can add columns. First we can add one column in this. Then we can choose the layout of this column. Now this column has been added to our article. Then we can add a introduction page like this, and we can choose the introduction layout. Then we can click the save button. Now it has been saved. Then we can move to the course. Here we have added a video and an article under this Odoo 18 intro section in this course Odoo 18 basics. Now we have another content option like documents. We can add document to this course, and we can make prioritize this by moving the articles or moving the contents, drag and dropping. We can choose documentation option here for here now. And for documentation, we have already seen that there are two options: upload from device and retrieve from Google Drive. Here I have been choosing upload from device option, and we can upload a file here. Now we can search. Sorry, we can choose another file. We can choose one of the file here, and it has been added here, and we can set the estimate time to complete this file here. And then we can click the save and publish option to save it. Now this also get published to this website, sorry. uh, then when we drag and drop file this file get added to the prioritized map. Then if we need to delete this file, just click this delete option, or then this file gets archived. We can add one more time this file to our page or to our course. We can choose the file from our device. Then we can set the estimate time to complete the this document, then publish it. Once we publish it, it will be published to our website. Then we can move it to, if you need to move this file, this document to the first one document as the first one of this content, this course, we can set it like this. Next we have option to add content, like we want to add, if you need to add any quiz, we can add it here. Now we can add a quiz and we can set the questions under this quiz. Then we can add the title of this quiz as Odoo 80 basic quiz. Then we can add the question. Once we before that we can add the completion time for this quiz. Then once we click the save and publish option, we have a new page provided, and in this page we can add the questions. Uh, then we can add the answers like ERP ERP software, then HR software, then we can add one more option for this quiz as CRM software. Then we can save it like this. Before that, we want to set a correct answer for this quiz, and here ERP software is the correct answer, and we can save it. Now a quiz is also added to the to our to our course. Then we can move back to the course. Now a quiz, a video, a documentation, and an article has been added to our course. At last, we can add one more content like certification. Before that, we can add a section, uh, Odoo basic certification. Then we can save it. Now one more section is added to this course, Odoo basic certification, and we can add content and choose the content as certification. Here we can add the title of the certification as certificate. Then we can choose the select a certification. We have already created a certification for previously, so we can choose that functional certification to this course, and we can set the estimate time for completing this certification, and we can save and publish it. Now we will be in this certification page. We can back to course by clicking this back to course button. Now we have completed the creation of this course, and we can publish it by enabling this boolean. Now we can move to the e-learning module, and we can see this course there. Or when we open this e-learning module, we can see the Odoo 18 basics uh, course is created here. When we open this course, we can see the contents and the certifications, all the options that we added, and the time duration for completing the certification, and all these are published. We have already published this option. These all options are visible here. When we move to options new, when we set the uh, course as we can see show course to everyone signed in and attendees, and when we click the on invitation option, where we have the option to add the attendee for this course, and this all when we move to the course and contents, we can see all these options here. And when we go to the website, we can see this course has been already published. It's a private course now because we set it as on invitation. Then we can move back to the course and say change the on invitation option. And when we invite the responsible person, this course will be available for the responsible person too, or they can enroll to this course. Now we can set it as open course. Then we can save it. Now, when if we need to add an attendee, we can add it here, and how many of this viewers has been visited will be shown here. Then we have discussed the course content certification of the e-learning module, forum and forum post in this e-learning module. Then we have the configuration settings. In this configuration settings, we have certification. We have discussed the certification. Once we enable the mailing, then only the add attendee option using enroll open invitation and on enrolled only for the private course option will be available. Like if I disable this, and when I want, if I want to set this course as a private course for only the invited person can attend this course. If I want to set the course as only the invited person can attend this course, we can disable this. If we disable this option won't be available. Now I can enable. Then there is a paid course option. When we enable this paid course and save it, and when we move to the course, we can see we have the option to sell the course. So when we move to the course, let's wait a minute and let it get loaded completely. And we can move to the course. And we can open our Odoo 18 basic course, and then the options we can see on payment option is added here. And when I enable this on payment option, I have the option to create a product. Here we can create Odoo 18 basic as the product. Basic as the product, and we can set a price for this product. And it's a service product, and create on order course access will be created on the order of this course. Now we can save it, and we can save now here. This, when we move to the internal link of this product, we can see the product is already published in the website. So we can move to the course, and when we move to website, we can see the price of the course here. Like here, the $100 is the cost of this product or the course, and when I click the add to cart button, the course will be added to the cart of this user. Now on clicking the view card, the course can be seen here, and we can check out for payment. Before that, we can activate a payment provider. We can choose demo as the payment provider. So install the payment provider here. Now the payment provider has been installed. Then we can move to the website, and when we move to the cart, here we can see the Odoo 18 basic course is here, and we can pay with the demo. Then once we click the pay button, this course has been paid. Now we can skip it. Now we can start learning this course by clicking this start learning button. The payment has been completed for this course, and we go to courses and open this Odoo 18 basic course. We have the start now button. On clicking this start now, we can complete the course by here. Now the first content is completed. Next is the Odoo article. Then we have a video. Hey everyone, complete the video. Then we have Odoo 18 basic quiz here, and we can answer the quiz. Now the quiz has been completed. And then next, at last, we have a certification. On clicking the certification, start certification button option is there. Then we can choose the answer all the question for question in this certification. Then we can continue like this. Next question is which is the free version of Odoo. Then which module. I have already go through these questions. So the next option is the download certificate, and we have the option to review certificate, share your certificate, and back to course option. We have already downloaded one of the certificate and show the certificate to you, so we can go back to the course. Now we get in the course. Once we didn't completed the view, or we didn't completely watch the video, so we want to set it as like this. Now a completed option will be available in this website. Then at last, when we move to the reporting section, in the reporting we can see course report, content report, revenues, attendees, review, quizzes, etc. On opening the course report, we can see different course published in the website. When we remove the published filter, all the courses whichever either is published or not, without prioritizing anything, we can see all the courses. Then the responsible person, how many user will view this course, then average rating, average rating, total duration, attendees, completed attendees, then total revenue from the course, all will be shown here. Then it's available in the list view and graphical view and a pivot view. In the pivot view also all the courses and the total visits, and if we need more field, we can choose the more field from here by clicking this plus icon. Then next is the contents. On clicking this contents, all the contents in a graphical view is the basic default view. When we move to the list view, we can see all the contents published in the website will be listed there. And at last we have a pivot view for this contents also, and all the contents will be shown here. And we can enlarge it by clicking this plus icon, and the course category type can be added to this pivot view. Next is the revenue reports. On clicking the revenue report, we can see the revenue from each month will be shown here. Or from here, we can see the blue color which show the basic of furniture creation course, uh, pink color which show the dye furniture course, and in green color which show the Odoo 18 basic course which I have created now. Then at last in orange color, taking care of tree course, the revenue from this taking care of tree course will be shown. For this revenue report also, Odoo provide a pivot view which show the revenue from each course through website. Then next, we have attendees report. When we open the attendees report, we can see finished attendees, joined attendees, and ongoing attendees. The count of finished, joined, and ongoing attendees here. And by default, Odoo provide the attendees report in a graphical view. Then we have pivot view, list view, and the gun view. The Kanban view. In this Kanban view also, we can see a columnized view of the attendees. Attendees are in columns. Now at last, then we have reviews. When we click the review, we can see the review of each user for different courses. Now we can see the review of a user for the course taking care of tree. When we move to, we can add one of the review, and we can see how it's like. Then we can open the course, and we can select our Odoo 18 basic course, and we can add review like here. On clicking the add review button, we can add a review. Good. Then we can post it. Now the review for this Odoo 18 basic is posted. When we move to the eLearning module, and when we open the review report, we can see the Odoo 18 basic 4 out of 5 is provided by the user. Then next, at last, we have quizzes report. When we open the quizzes report, we can see all the courses, all the quizzes which are created for each content. Here we can see Odoo 18 basic quiz is a quiz created under the course our Odoo 18 basic course. When if we need to add more field, or we can customize this field here, then the attempts average and then count how many are completed the quiz, and average attempt by the user, and the attempt total attempt of or the attempt count can be seen here. Hope all of you understand the features and the functions included in our Odoo 18 e-learning module. If you have any doubts and queries, feel free to discuss them. And at last, thank you for listening.